What is going on, guys? Graham David Holroyd here, coming to you live yet again from my home office here in the United Kingdom, helping you create prosperity and fulfillment beyond your wildest imaginations through the power of digital marketing. In this video, we're going to be discussing my top three, not one, three digital marketing tools with Builderall to help you build your business online. Let's go. Top three tools to help you build your business. Okay, now in number three, one of my favorites is email marketing. This is just one of the tools that actually come with Builderall. Email marketing is quite expensive. It really is expensive. If you go do your research, you go check online, type in autoresponders. Sometimes you can pick them up quite cheap, but with cheap, you actually get cheap. Okay, now email marketing. Look to the side of me just here. These are just some of the prices from other companies, okay? Now, email marketing with Builderall, again, it comes with it. You don't have to pay any extra. This is one reason why I love Builderall, is because it's an all-in-one. Over 40 tools to help you build your business. Now, email marketing, Mailingboss. This is your go-to guide. It really is. Mailingboss, you can collect an unlimited, listen to me, unlimited amount of emails. You can send out an unlimited amount of emails. You can schedule them so you can drip feed to your leads. You can send out emails every single day on an email sequence. You can tag people, so when they've opened it, you can send out. For when they've actually opened that email, you can send another email out, because so you can tag them, get another email sent out. Thanks for opening. What did you think to this? Blah, blah, blah. Depending on what niche you're in, what it is you're trying to sell, or what service you're trying to provide. Other companies, they will charge you from 0 to, let's say, 1,000 subscribers. Okay. And they'll charge you a set fee. Sometimes you can get your first 0 to 500 completely for free. After that, you've got to start paying. I have seen, and I'll be honest, I've paid quite a lot of money in the past on these other tools. And I've seen some go for over $500 per month just on email marketing. Now, with Builderall, the link that you'll see in the description, you can actually get email marketing and the rest of the tools today for $1 for the first 30 days. After the 30 days, you get rebilled at $69.90 per month. Okay, far cheap, far too cheap. So that leads me on to number two, chatbots, professional chatbots. Again, very similar to email, if you like, but you're capturing the lead via a Facebook page. Now, you don't just have to do it on a Facebook page. You can actually get them on your website. So if you're building a website, have this chatbot feature integrated onto your website. They click on it, you capture them onto your Facebook page so you can send out a chatbot sequence. The reason I love chatbots so much is because the open rate is actually far superior than email marketing. Email marketing is perfect, and you've got to really niche down on it, okay? Get the right quality of people. In a way, very similar to chatbots. Get the right sort of people, take them on a flow through your chatbot, show them what the chatbot can do. If you're trying to help somebody build their business, show them the chatbot feature as well. Moving on to number three, which is my favorite, okay? This is the bee's knees, as they say. Cheetah Builder website. The only one in the world the fastest drag and drop builder in the world, Cheetah Builder with Builderall. It's amazingly fast, and you can build websites, sales funnels. Another little thing with Builderall, if you do join, again, $1 if you want to click that link in the description, you're going to get access to over 40 pre-made funnels already done for you. So you can go out there and literally start promoting. You can literally grab them and start editing them, depending on, again, what niche you're in. So in this video, we've covered number 1, email marketing, number 2, professional chatbots, and number 3, the fastest website builder on the planet. Okay, if you want to know more tips and tricks on some of the tools that I use, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because every time I upload a new video, I want you to be the one to see it first. On that note, again, my name is Graham David Holroyd, and I'll see you in the next video.